Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be diving into a major shift in the creator economy. TikTok ad revenue just shot up by 50% in the UK, and Reddit is now the fastest growing ad platform out there. What does it mean for creators, businesses, and anyone trying to make money online? So stick around because this could open brand new income stream you didn't even know existed. TikTok is no longer just viral dances and lip synchronization. According to the latest reports, TikTok's ad revenue in the UK is up by 50% year over year, and that's so massive. The platform is now rolling out search adverts, similar to Google Ads, on YouTube promoted results. That means if someone searches best budget app or how to invest $100, brand can place their ads right in the search feed. Why does this matter to you and I? Brands now have a high intent ad space on TikTok. Creators can partner with finance brands and educational tools targeting those keywords. Finance influencers and niche creators just gain a new monetization path. Let's talk about Reddit. Reddit ad revenue is growing faster than any other major social platform, outpacing even Meta and Snapchat. Why? Because Reddit users are engaged, curious, and research-driven. Reddit isn't about mindless scrolling. People go there to compare investment platforms, learn about credit card, crypto, and budgeting tips, read real-world reviews and recommendations. This makes Reddit a gold mine for advertisers in the finance space. Even better, sponsored posts on Reddit look native, so ad platforms perform better when they feel like part of the conversation. What does this mean for creators, freelancers, and brands? The rise of TikTok and Reddit as advertising giants means one thing: platforms are finally monetizing attention the right way. Here is how you can benefit from all this. As a creator and influencer, you have to start making search optimized content on TikTok. Think on how to video, mini tutorial, product review. You have to join program with brands targeting finance and productivity. Use Reddit threads to build authority and community influences. How does small businesses and brands do this? So run highly targeted ad on Reddit for niche audiences. It helps to tap into TikTok search with ads to intercept buyers' internet. Sponsor creators who already own the trust of your target markets. Here is the big opportunity in finance and educational niche. This trend is especially powerful if you are in a personal finance, fintech, or education. Why? Because people are actively searching for financial advice, and this platform are now building ad formats around that behavior. TikTok is becoming the Google of Gen Z. Reddit is becoming the real-world review hub for millennials and Gen X. If you are a creator or marketer, start aligning your content with search intent, best budgeting apps, how to save $500 fast, top investment tips for beginners. So what do you think? Are TikTok and Reddit quietly becoming the next Google and Facebook of digital advertising? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear how you plan to use these new ad tools. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. We've got more creator economy breakdown and finance hack every week. So stay tuned. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.